When returning the vehicle and needing airport transportation, arrive at least 2 hours before your desired terminal arrival time. For the smoothest shuttle experience, alert the booth attendant upon entering the facility that you are a Park My Share guest and that you need shuttle service back to the airport. Use the following address to navigate your car to Park My Share at the parking spot 3 at 4607 Air Flight Drive, St. Louis, Missouri 6314. As you pull into the parking spot 3, the gate will open automatically by reading the AVI tag on your host vehicle. Tell the gate attendant you will be parking in the Park My Share lot and to please send a shuttle to the Park My Share shuttle stop. If you have any issues with the gate access, hit the intercom button to be connected to a member of the Park My Share team. A Park My Share team member may ask you for the number on the back of the AVI tag, your reservation number, or your host's name to open the gate. Please make sure to return the vehicle to a spot in the Park My Share area labeled with blue signage. Look for your host instructions as to where they would like you to park within the Park My Share lot. A shuttle will come pick you up at the shuttle stop and return you to the airport. If you need any assistance, please contact your host.